Hello everyone and welcome to the PC side of the tutorials for Worldwide Glover Discord. I am Peter, also known as LPD Dubuque. I am one of the chat moderators who's just being so kind to helping me and Kinley doing a lot of these tutorials, and I told him I would do the PC side. So here we are. So you guys are pretty much going to be watching me showing you how to get onto Discord. Not only that, but also get into our Discord server. And last but not least, you guys will learn how to navigate Discord in the simplest ways possible. So let's get right into it.
12 seconds later.
Alrighty, so this is where the magic happens, everybody. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to download the Discord app onto your computer, and then you're going to come set up an account. So yeah, I'm not going to let you see my email or password, but I'll at least let you guys see what username I'm going to use so you guys know what's going on here. And what's a good name I can think of? Let's go with Amicus Barbie. Don't judge me.
Five minutes later.
Alright, and here we are. We are now just set everything up. So it's also going to tell you to please check your email and follow the instructions to verify your account, which I'll do right now. So if you guys can just wait one moment.
12 seconds later.
Alrighty, as you can see, I moved to the other side of the screen, and now we're just going to show you quickly everything is here right now. Look at that. It says, add a server. So if you want to look for one, you can either create your own. Let me join here. So now all I have to do is put in the link that I have for the server. So if you guys don't have the server yet, you guys will find it in every description of my videos on YouTube, as well as you can find it on Instagram. So there are plenty of places you can find it. And if you guys don't know where to find it, you guys can always hit me up at, if you haven't guys realized yet. Yeah, so if you guys need help, just let me know and I will be sure to help you get that invite in, and you guys will have no problem at all.
A few moments later.
So let's go ahead and join the server. Boom, I have now joined the server. As you can see, you're immediately going to be hit with this thing. This channel requires push-to-talk voice channel. Will only be able to listen until you switch modes with push-to-talk voice activity detection. We'll get into that later. So welcome to your first voice channel. Why am I already connected? That's so strange. So here we are. So first things first that you guys want to do is you're going to come over here to the WWG info, and there's this lovely little thing right here saying the rules. So go ahead and click on it. So here are the rules, and we're going to go ahead and just quickly peruse blah 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 blah. Pretty much you guys should already be reading all this stuff. However, next thing you want to do is you're going to read this part when it comes to labbing and all that stuff, right? There's this little spot right here that says flow roll. Click on this. Then it's going to bring you here to select your flow roll. So you're going to see this little post right here, this lovely little thing, right? You have all these little emotes down here that have been selected multiple times by a bunch of people. This is where you're going to choose your flow roll. Okay, so for me as a Glover and a finger stylist, those are the two that I want. So I want to click on these to react to these. And boom, I am now rolled as a Glover and a finger stylist. So what does that give me? That gives me all these new things available to me now. That's where you unlock all these other chats and other threads that people have here now. So as you can see, you have multiple ones, which as you guys can see by clicking on the ones that have the dashes like this, it closes them up and minimizes them. Just wanted to show you all of this. Oh look, there's already a bunch of people hanging out right now. That's nice.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
There you are. You are now in the Discord server. You are now able to do the things you want to do. So in the next few videos, you are actually going to see how we could interact and how we can control things like the music bots, and how to get into the Discord chats, how to operate your voice chats and text chats and all that stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed what I had to do in this video. I hope this was very informative to you. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to hit up any of us that are linked to this video, and we'll see you guys in the next one.